LlamaIndex in 2025 is an open-source framework for managing data that connects large language models, LLMs, with many different data sources, making it easier to create practical AI applications that use both private and public information. But is it honestly worth it? Let's take a closer look. A major strength of LlamaIndex is its support for diverse data types, such as PDFs, databases, APIs, and documents, through more than 160 pre-built connectors found in LlamaHub. This wide compatibility helps developers and data teams quickly link LLMs to their existing data, cutting down on integration time. Its built-in query system allows users to interact with data using natural language, simplifying complex technical processes behind the scenes. LlamaIndex solves a key issue with typical LLMs, their lack of up-to-date, domain-specific knowledge. By organizing data into efficient structures like trees, graphs, and vector stores, it enables semantic search and optimized data retrieval. This means AI apps built on LlamaIndex can provide more relevant, knowledge-enriched answers rather than generic language model responses. Being open source, the framework offers flexibility for customization and fine-tuning. It also integrates well with popular AI tools and platforms like LangChain, Flask, Docker, and even ChatGPT, boosting its usefulness across various applications. Recent additions include Notebook LLama, an open-source option for document processing and AI-assisted note-taking. While LlamaIndex itself is free to use, costs arise from the language models powering it. To help control expenses, it includes mock tools that allow testing before making costly LLM calls. Industries such as finance, healthcare, retail, and manufacturing leverage LlamaIndex to build advanced knowledge assistance and retrieval augmented generation (RAG) workflows. Big companies like KPMG use it to simplify AI adoption and extract insights from complex data. So, is LlamaIndex honestly worth it in 2025? For developers, data scientists, or enterprises aiming to build AI applications that require seamless, real-time integration with diverse data sources and want a customizable, scalable framework for retrieving data with LLMs, LlamaIndex is definitely a strong option. It reduces development time, improves response accuracy, and supports sophisticated AI workflows, all while being open source. Thanks for watching this honest LlamaIndex review. If it helped, please like and subscribe for more clear, balanced tech insights. Feel free to share your experiences or questions about LlamaIndex in the comments below.